companies who have invested in Pakistan are not getting their payments. And he was not wrong. IPP companies, Turkish airlines, they are not getting their payments. And he was not wrong. It's very unfortunate that this is, sadly enough, this is a fact. I know that certain Turkish companies have been wronged, not by design, but I think sometimes red tape comes in the way, lethargy, lack of understanding of the bigger picture, and sometimes bureaucracy creates hurdles, and it's not new to us. I think the entire world is aware of it. But important thing is that we need to cut this red tape with a very sharp scissor. We need to simplify our business regulations to promote investment, and you are sure that it is secured under all circumstances. Governments come and go, but investments will never be disturbed. The system will never change, rather improve and keep on improving to meet the requirements of the day. I know my brothers sitting on the left side and right side who have been given very bad treatment, and for no rhyme or reason. Last time when I was here, I sincerely offered my apology, and once again I'm doing it. Yesterday when I was with my very respected brother, President Tayyip Erdogan, I had to hear this complaint once again after my visit to China. China, as you know, is a very sincere friend of Pakistan, and under China-Pakistan economic corridor framework, China has invested in Pakistan to the tune of $33 billion from 2015 or 2014 to 2018, before the completion of Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif's government. Subsequently, this process slowed down. And like President Tayyip Erdogan, and rightly so, was conveying to me in a very brotherly fashion, in a very sweet fashion, that Brother Shahbaz Sharif, Turkish companies are more than eager to come and invest in Pakistan, but companies who have invested in Pakistan are not getting their payments. And he was not wrong. IPP companies, Turkish airlines, they are not getting their payments. And he was not wrong. It's very unfortunate that this is, sadly enough, this is a fact.